Generator, Cummins, and there's been a couple of reviews on the internet, but it's the P4500i, and from what I've read, it's really sweet. We're talking about 52 decibels of sound, fully loaded, so that's got to be great. Of course, you got to do some stuff like put oil in it, and of course unbox it. The thing's about 92 pounds, so it's not really for lightweights. Alright. Got some attachments here, yes. There's an oil fill. There's even oil, how about that? Here's some oil. 4-stroke small engine oil. I'll probably use a different kind of oil when I start changing, obviously. Maybe something like synthetic, maybe AMS oil. I like that stuff. Alright. It's not too bad. I wonder if I'm pretty good at just doing a pull. Yeah, not bad. Not bad for an old man, huh? Again, see what we got here. This is the oil compartment. Take a look at that. I see there's the oil filler cap down in here. Here, so we'll put that oil in there, and then we've got here's the I'll put this right over here on this clip. It's pretty neat. This is the remote start right there. Remote start, pretty nice. Set that up there for now. Grab that oil. Looks like there's some oil in there. See what it says. Put about half in. I'm gonna check it. Get it right too. So when it starts to almost drip out, that's when it says it's full. So, pick this stuff up as you go. Now it's time to put some fuel in it. I know this is fresh gas. I just got this the other day, so it should be good. Got a nice filter in there, so free. And that is in the back, the battery access panel, right here. And plug the battery in, just like that. Then we have this tie down on there, and put that on there and get it going. This on run. Also have this little remote here. put the switch to rope 1 run again, and then hit it. There it goes. I think you can also turn it off. Pretty cool. All good.